Here we have a GBL Aeon 612, and in this video I am going to show it to you how to reset this model, and I think it applies also for some GBL powered speaker, but at this time I am going to perform on this model Aeon 612. And first thing first, if you see these lights, our current settings is on sub and the EQ is lights up. To confirm that amplifier is resetted, these lights must be transferred to main. Okay, I'm going to give you some example. I'm gonna turn it off and back on again. If this amplifier is not resetted, the lights will return back to sub. So meaning this amplifier is not yet resetted because the lights return back to sub. Okay, now I am going to perform the reset and turn it off first, the amplifier. This boot button and the EQ, you have to press at the same time, press and hold, and then turn the power on, and you can see here the lights will blink, release, all blinks, and wait for rebooting again. Wait. Okay, now the amplifier is rebooting, and yes, here it is. So the lights, the green lights is transferred to main, meaning our amplifier is already resetted, because before the lights is here. This our current settings before is on the sub. Let's us confirm. I'm gonna turn it off and turn back it on again. You can do this reset, guys, if you are having an issue about the amplifier. Sometimes reset can solve the problem. Yes, it's on the main. Okay guys, hope you learned something on this video and you have some idea. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for visiting, and for the support, thank you, and God bless us.